Okay, I got this finished here, and everything is put together. I'm gonna have to tape this up. Now, there's one wire that is not hooked up there. You have to pay attention to that. See, right here on the old one, there is a part right there that's not used right there. So on the new harness, it has a wire in there because this can fit more than one application. So you want to make sure you don't hook that up incorrectly. So if it's blank on yours, which is this is the old one, you want to leave that blank. In this case, it's this black wire right here. Okay, so tape this up. I already cleaned this out, and I'm gonna put this back together. Alright folks, I have this together and taped up here. You can put some wire loom on here if you want, but there's something else that's important. Okay, if you look up here, the top up here, see up there, there is a drain piece. Where is it? Right up in there. Right there. I got a hose on there now. You want to put a hose on there. Take that hose and run it down away from the transmission somewhere. Let me move it out the way so you can see. See that part there? When they run the air conditioner, that's the drain where you see water run on the ground. Well, it's right over this connector, and a lot of times what happens is it drains and runs right into this connector. When the seals go bad, it runs right inside and causes it to corrode. So I use a 1-inch hose. This is 1-inch inner diameter. Right here, a 1-inch hose. 1 inch. And you want to take my light off because see my where is it? There's that piece. There it is, right up there. You want to put the hose on it. Now you may have to sand it on the outside. What I use is some Gorilla Glue or some goop. Then I push this on, let it sit, and then I tie it maybe there and run this down the side of the transmission so that it doesn't drip. It doesn't drip and go right into this connector right here. You don't want that because it will cause this corrode. Most often than not, that's what's going on. Okay. Now you can put a new connector on there and hope that the seals will hold, but like I said, it's probably best to route that water away from this connector. Okay. Okay. There is that part, the hose that is running down to this side right here, so you can see that pretty good up there. I have it hooked right into that drain for the air conditioning. Okay. The connector is right here. There's the connector right here, and there's the hole for the connector. So the drain is right on top. Okay. There's a 1-inch hose that's diverting the water flow up towards the front of the transmission so it doesn't get inside that solenoid pack connector, and the solenoid pack and corrode it anymore. Alright, here it goes.